In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a campaign to a specific audience in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or looking to refine your approach, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your campaign is targeted and effective. To get started, head over to Klaviyo's website and log in using your credentials. If you're not yet familiar with the platform interface, no worries, it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Campaigns. Click on that and select Create Campaign from the sub-menu that appears. This is where the magic begins. Now you'll need to decide the type of campaign you want to initiate. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on email campaigns, though it's good to know that Klaviyo also offers the flexibility to send SMS campaigns if that's something you may want to explore in the future. Subsequently, it's time to name your campaign. Choose a name that's clear and relevant to the content and purpose of your campaign. This step is crucial for keeping your campaigns well organized, especially when you're managing multiple campaigns at once. Next, you'll need to specify your audience. Click on the Add Recipients button and you will have the option to choose a list or segment of your audience. This is where you narrow down your campaign focus to a specific group of people who've signed up to hear from you. If your company has created custom segments or lists beforehand, this is the moment to utilize them, ensuring your communication is as targeted as possible. With your audience set, it's time to move forward by clicking on Create Content. Then select Use Email Template. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-built templates that you can use, or if you're feeling creative, you can start designing one from scratch. When customizing your email, make sure to add elements that reflect your brand's identity. This includes placing your brand logo, using your brand colors, and incorporating eye-catching images and headlines. Don't forget to incorporate a clear and effective call to action. This might be a clickable button or link that directs your audience to the desired next step, such as visiting your website or exploring a new product. Once your email looks polished, it's time to set up the finer details of the campaign. Begin with the subject line, ensure it's engaging and maybe even personalized for better connection with the recipients. Choose a sender name and email address that are recognizable, ideally your brand name, enhancing trust and open rates. Additionally, craft a concise and compelling preview text to captivate your recipients right from the inbox. Before finalizing, make use of the preview option. This tool allows you to review how your email renders across various devices, ensuring consistent quality and appearance. Finally, your campaign is ready to fly. You can either choose to send it immediately by selecting Send Now, or if you have a particular time in mind, schedule it to go out at a specific date and time for maximum impact. And there you have it, a complete guide to sending a campaign to a specific audience in Klaviyo. Following these steps will ensure your campaigns are both effective and professional. Happy emailing!